Okay, here we are at 953 Yachtsman's Way. We've got a great 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, end unit duplex. Here's the front yard and driveway. And as you see, there's a path that leads into a fully fenced large backyard. Coming in the front door, it leads into a large open plan living room with hardwood laminate floors and a great wood burning fireplace. Also huge cathedral ceilings with a balcony that connects the two upstairs bedrooms. We've got a dining room, and this connects through into the kitchen. It's a great kitchen with granite countertops, a little breakfast area. Coming down, we've got a large storage room, full-size washer and dryer, and a half bath downstairs. Coming through the living room, this is the 3rd bedroom. It would make a great office or study. Ceiling fan and large closet, and then sliding glass door leading out to the backyard. So we'll go next, have a quick look. So as you can see, it's a huge backyard. It's the entrance gate, a large storage shed. This is the own private backyard, fully fenced, with a beautiful deck and patio area. Back inside, we go upstairs. Upstairs we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master bathroom has been fully remodeled. We'll go first. This is an open plan balcony looking down into the living room. We've got a huge master suite with ceiling fan and cathedral ceilings. A large, you can see here, a large walk-in closet with some shelving. And here we have a fully remodeled master bathroom, just beautiful, with a huge walk-in shower or step-in shower. You can see these great vanities. Across the hallway we've got a full bath with a shower, and then this is bedroom number 2. It's a good sized room, again with cathedral ceiling and ceiling fans and a large closet. That really concludes the video tour of 953 Yachtsman's Way here in Annapolis.